In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create image gallery with links in Shopify Dawn theme. If you are using the Dawn theme and you want a clean image gallery where each image can take customers to a different page, this guide will walk you through the exact process inside the Shopify theme editor. You do not need any special tools. You just need to follow along in the theme customization area and add a multi-column section with image blocks. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard and then click Online Store. This is where Shopify groups all theme and storefront settings. When you click Online Store, you will be taken to the area where your active theme is managed, along with options to customize or edit your layout. Next, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor so you can modify the storefront design. Take a moment to make sure you are editing the theme you want customers to see, since changes are applied to that theme. Now look for the template area inside the theme editor. Under Template, you will click Add Section. This step is important because it lets you insert a new content block into the page layout. Once you select Add Section, Shopify will show you a list of available sections you can add. From that list, add multi-column. The multi-column section is what allows you to place multiple items side by side, which is perfect for an image gallery. After you add multi-column, you should see a new section appear in the editor with a structure that includes columns. Next, under the first column, click Add Block. This is where you choose what content goes into each column. Since this tutorial is about an image gallery, you will be adding an image block first in the initial column. After clicking Add Block, select Image. This tells Shopify that each column will contain an image element. Once you choose Image, you should see options to upload or select an image, along with settings related to that image. Now click Select. This opens your media picker, where you can choose from images you already uploaded to Shopify. Select your image from the library so it appears in the first column. After selecting the image, click Upload. If you are choosing an existing image, this confirms the selection in the editor. If you need to add an image that is not already in your library, this is where you can upload it, but the key point is to ensure the image is properly placed in that first column. Next, you will add your link. This is the part that turns your gallery into something interactive. In the link setting for the image block, paste or choose the destination URL so that when a customer clicks the image, they are taken to the page you intend. Because the gallery is meant to have multiple images, you should now repeat the same process for each additional image. Return to the multi-column structure, and for the next column, click Add Block, choose Image, select your image, upload it if needed, and then add the link for that specific image. By repeating the steps, each thumbnail in the gallery will have its own destination, which makes your storefront feel organized and intentional. When you have finished adding and linking every image, click Save. Saving ensures your changes are applied and that the updated gallery appears on the storefront. At this point, it is a good idea to preview your theme using the preview option in the editor, so you can confirm that every image opens the correct page when clicked. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.